Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. That is Meena, and today I will discuss about how do cyber attackers gather information targeted, uh, whether a individual hacker, a group of hacker, or state-sponsored hackers. When they started to perform an cyber attack, there is a method. Like okay, they thought I want to perform attack on company or certain person and they just start immediately perform the attack. No, there is method. How just they are doing, what they are doing. That's we need to know because that information is very useful even in case of protection from uh, cyber attacks. First of all, um, they say uh, uh, they just see what the resources we have right now, how many manpower we are having, what are the strength area, what the infrastructure might be when we trying to perform an attack. They select a certain industry, certain person or group of person or a individual, and as much as the information they want to collect about their target, they will just collect. Whether they just search the information on on internet or they just search the information on the websites on social media where they just can get the maximum information about their target. That is really very beneficial because the next move will decide uh, uh, on the information they collected during this. Once they collected the information or they just selected their target, then they move to the next. In the next step, what do they do? Resource extraction and data mining. Again, they just go deeper because now they know a lot of things about their target. The maximum information might be they are just trying to attack on a certain company and they want to see what type of web server they are using, what web application running on that one, what the uh, database they are using, vulnerabilities might exist, where the more email addresses on contact number, and then they just go deeper and collect uh, more information. After just collecting the information, whether that's available on uh, internet or just they just try to extract it from their website or other sources. Now they are having a plenty of information to work upon their target and just move further in further step. Lot of information and uh, they need to correlate that information which is important to us, which is just garbage, which information we can carry forward for the next step. They just segregate each and everything, filter out the information, try to correlate it. For example, they want to target a CEO of a company directly, maybe the security on their devices, uh, and on all the resources they are using is high. So they will think uh, to whom I just target first, and then I can reach to the CEO. So there is a hierarchy. They will say, okay, first I will target this one, and then I'll send a email, and then I just win their faith, and then I pursue or attack to the targeted person. So at this phase, they are just doing. Next thing, information is available. Now, on the behalf of the filter distill information, they will decide what model I'm going. Now, this is the information I am having. For that, whether I will use the phishing email I have established vulnerable website over there, my malware I have placed when my target will visit that website, he or she will get infected. Or I'll send some attachment. In that attachment there will be a malware. They will just think how I can send my code or my software to that target so that I can control their moves. I can see what's going on in their system, how they are working, and they are acting. There are a lot of information to just before performing the cyber attack. They need to collect it from different, and maximum will give the maximum benefit. So, what's the lesson being a user or a cybersecurity professional? Whatsoever the information we are revealing on our websites, on internet, on social media, you must be care about, because that information is usable for the hackers as well. They can make the correlation and can use against us to cyber attack. Follow me on the cybersecurity page and get the notifications. Next interesting and information. Also share that session with friends, group members as well, that they can understand how hackers are just trying to get the info about their target before performing cyber attack. See you in the next session. Namaste.